Remember, my turn and then your turn, okay? S, z, sh, unk, b, k, d, g, j, p, qu, w, x, y, ch, a, e, o, a, e, I, O, U, R, or, ow, boy. Today our focus is on the ah sound. Can you say ah? Good job. Again, ah. Well done. Let's look at our picture side. We have a picture of an apple. So we go around the apple and down the leaf. So it's apple. Can you say apple? Well done. Good job. We're going to have a look at a few pictures with the ah sound. So can you say acrobat? Well done. Ant. Good job. Astronaut. Well done. And the last one is apple. Good job.
We are now going to practice writing the ah sound.
So around the apple and down the leaf.
We are now going to write a word with the ah sound. We are going to write the word ant. So how many sounds does ant have? Ah,
1, 2, 3.
So 3 sounds. What's the first sound, children? Ah, well done. So we're going to write the first sound.
So around the apple and down the leaf.
The second sound. Can you find the sound on the sound chart? Well done.
So down Nobby and over his neck.
And the last sound. T. Can you find the t sound on the sound chart?
So down the tower and across the tower.
Can you now practice writing some more words with the ah sound? And then take a picture of your work and send it to us on Evidence Me. Thank you. Bye.